As you guys know, I have been in the process of moving, so I'm so excited to bring you guys episode 7 of my Moving Diaries series. I just went apartment shopping in my last episode, and I have a bunch of stuff to build. You can already see the first couple things we're gonna be building in these boxes right here. I love this new apartment so much, but the problem is that there is no storage space. So I have to get really creative with the organizing and storing and decorating everything because I need to make use of all the space in here. So starting upstairs, I'm gonna be building a shelf that I just bought. I'm so excited to have this in here, especially because I have this mirror. So it's gonna be going right here in this corner, and it's gonna be perfect for the background of my new mirror pictures. I have on this outfit right now, and once I get this shelf built, I'm gonna take some cute outfit pictures. I'm so excited! This shelf came out so perfectly. It fits so well on this wall. Literally like the perfect size for this wall. I love it. I knew I wanted to put this shelf in this corner. I have this exact one downstairs, and then I also have a mini one. I just love the wood and the white. Those are like my favorite for all my furniture. It also took way longer to build than I thought. I always underestimate Ikea furniture. So I'm gonna go downstairs and get a couple cute things to put on there. I want to use it for organizing, but also for decorating and making it a cute backdrop for this mirror. So I honestly just added kind of some random things to this shelf. I just wanted to get it filled up for now so that it wasn't just empty back there. But I am actually loving this setup so much. I've been a little bit hesitant about the mirror being here, so I knew I just had to make this work, and I feel like the shelf is really bringing it together. I put up this Monet print that I had at my last apartment. I love it so much. I just set it on the top shelf for now because I usually like to hang pictures last. I really have to force myself to wait because I just want to put all my wall art up right now, but every time I don't do it last, I always regret it because I end up switching up everything anyway. So I just set that one up there for now. I am loving this background so much. I changed my shirt into this pink long sleeve top so that I could take some mirror pictures. That shelf took forever to build, but it was worth it. It looks so cute. So that is the progress over here, and next I'm gonna move into the kitchen to organize my fridge. So I went ahead and took everything out of my fridge, and I'm gonna clean off these shelves. They're looking a little crusty, and I just wanna have them all wiped down and looking way better before I put in all of my new groceries. I love organizing this stuff. Like when it comes to the refrigerator and the pantry, setting up all of my food into plastic organizers is just so fun. I feel like not only does it look so cute when it's organized, but I can also see everything so much better when they're in these clear bins. I've had this problem ever since I moved out with food, where I'll buy all these groceries and then just stick them in and pile them up in the pantry or the fridge, and then I don't even know what I have. And then like every other week, I'll be digging through and seeing what food I have, and I have a bunch of food that just goes bad or is expired because I didn't even know I had it. So keeping things organized and in these clear containers helps me so much because I can see exactly what I have in here. I think that came out so good. It looks so much cleaner. Kind of looks like a Naked Drink ad, but I love it. And everything is displayed so nicely so I can actually see everything in the fridge. So this way, with everything displayed, I can actually see what I have and use all my groceries before they expire. Ikea is basically my second home at this point. I've gone so many times since moving out again, but today is just a mini apartment shopping vlog because I came in knowing exactly what I wanted to buy. I am so excited to finally be putting together and decorating my living room. So today I was just picking up a couple furniture pieces and a huge rug, and I'm gonna be putting all this stuff together tonight.
Hi. Someone grab! Elliot! Watch your whole body. Good job, good job. That's the whole thing. Let's be honest.
It is the next day, and so when I spent the entire night putting together this TV stand and putting out our rug, it was literally such a long night of building. The thing with IKEA furniture is you have to get everything so precise, and if one screw isn't screwed in all the way or it isn't tight enough, it's gonna mess the entire thing up. So it took us over like 6 hours to get this put together, but we were not about to give up, and we had to finish it last night because we spent so long on it anyway. It's a little bit uneven on the top of the cabinets, which is really irritating. Like, that's what we were really trying to fix. You can't really tell even from just sitting on the couch, but I feel like this living room is really getting put together. I think I'm gonna spend way too much time in here. Now that I have the TV stand done, I really want to decorate it a little bit. I don't want anything too crazy on here. I kind of put up this Monet picture just for now. I think it looks pretty cute, but I also just want it like really simple, just have a couple things. I also added a plant right over here. This is my sister's plant, and I think it looks really nice here. I took a bunch of her plants home, so I'm taking care of them now, and I have to keep them alive. She would be so pissed if I didn't. I think this is a great spot for it. I really like it. It kind of like livens up the vibe over here. And then I'm thinking over here this morning, I'm gonna build this Lego flower. This is the orchid vase. So now I have this one, and my brother got it for me for Christmas, and I'm like, this will look so cute right here. Like, I feel like that is the perfect thing to add. So I made my coffee, I have my music on, I'm in my pajamas and my slippers. I literally was like, I'm just gonna go upstairs and get started. I'm still exhausted from last night. We were up so late, but we're gonna ease into today by starting with a Lego building session. So I'm actually so excited. I don't know how I feel about building this on the carpet. I don't want the pieces to get lost in my new rug. Oh my god, this is a big booklet. I just finished the first step, and I have no idea what this would have to do with an orchid flower vase, but it looks kind of cool. This is the cutest decoration for the top. I think I'm gonna put a couple more things on here too, but this looks so cute, like the green and the flowers. I've showed you guys this ball light in a couple of my last videos, but this has been my favorite purchase recently. So I bought this color changing bulb to go with it. The light is from Urban Outfitters and the bulb is from Ikea. I talked about it in my video when I went online shopping for apartment decorations, but this has been like my favorite purchase. So I'm just finishing putting it together right now, and I feel like in the living room it's perfect. I am so obsessed with how this is coming out. So I decided to finish decorating this TV stand. I honestly wasn't really sure what to put on here, but I spend a lot of time on the couch and in this living room, so I wanted it to feel very inviting and good energy. I wanted to just put a couple of my favorite things on here. So this is how it's turning out so far. I put the new Lego flowers that I just built. I feel like this is the perfect addition. I have a new candle. I just got it for Christmas. It smells amazing. It's in this like jasmine scent. This, which is so special to me, my best friend just got it for me for Christmas. I literally had my eye on it, but decided not to get it. It was like an old makeup compact or something like that, so it has a mirror. So cool. Over here, I have my gold mirror tray, and low-key kind of matches this mirror. I've had this for a while now, and it's just been sitting on one of my shelves, but I felt like it would be so much more seen here, so I love it right in the middle of my TV stand. And then I put some of my favorite crystals on here. This one, which is strawberry obsidian. I didn't even know this was a crystal. I love it so much. So pretty. And then I put a couple more of my favorites. The Botswana agate, serpentine, rose quartz. I'm obsessed. At the end right here, I put on two of my favorite art books. You guys know I had to put my art books out. I have a huge stack downstairs, but these two are pretty much my favorite. I have Hilma af Klint and then this one, which is a bunch of artists, and I love that book. But one of my favorite parts, as I told you guys, this is my sister's plant. I love the size of it, and I felt like it fit perfectly in this room, but I decided to also put some crystals in here. She used to do this with her plants all the time, and I have all of these like pretty good sized crystals, so I brought these up and put them in here too. I think the colors look so pretty. Like this orange calcite looks so good in here. The amethyst, I feel like all these are so pretty, and I think this plant loves it too. I love how my apartment is turning out, and I spend a lot of time decorating this apartment. As you can see, like most of the stuff that's up is mine, so I'm trying to mix me and Enzo's aesthetics so that he has stuff out too, but for the most part so far it's just been me decorating this apartment. So as we're living in it, it's gonna keep changing and both of our styles will be more combined. I am so excited for the progress in this room. I can't wait to give you guys the full tour, and for more Moving Diaries episodes, I have to say this one has been my absolute favorite. I feel like I've gotten so much done. I finally am bringing some of my personality to these videos, because a lot of my past Moving Diaries was just unboxing things and like shopping for or building new furniture, but now you can actually see some color in here, and with the lighting and the decorations, it's some of my style coming out, so I'm so excited to keep this going. I really hope you guys enjoyed this episode though. This was episode 7, which is kind of insane. Like I can't believe I posted 7 episodes. I also wanted to address this camera situation. So right now I'm using my mini Canon like vlogging camera. I usually don't use this camera unless I am going out and I want like a mini camera to take along with me, but all my cameras are broken. Literally all of them gave out on me in the last month. I have a total of 4 Canon cameras, including this one. So this is what I have left. I bought it more because I thought it was really cute and I needed a new vlogging camera, but this was not meant to be like my full use camera. So the low light quality of this one is so so bad, and you guys can see like it gets really fuzzy anytime the lighting isn't perfect. Like it's not crystal clear and the focus is really bad. So I just bought a new camera. It will be here for the next video. I'm so excited. I just wanted to let you guys know the quality in this video could have been way better, and it will be. That wraps up this video. Thank you guys so much for watching and staying until the end. I love you all so much. None of this would be possible without you. I am so grateful every day and going into the new year for having the most amazing subscribers and for all of your guys' support. I absolutely have been loving this new space, and I'm so excited to bring you guys more moving content. Let me know if you have any video requests. I really try to get all of those done. So if there's anything you want to see from me, or if you want me to continue doing these moving diaries episodes, then definitely leave me a comment. You can also follow me on Instagram and Pinterest to see my life outside of YouTube, and I will see you guys in my next video. I love you all so much. Have a great rest of your day. Bye! Mwah.